Hey guys, Donnie Boyd here. I wanted to do a video for you, just some upcoming news that just kind of happened recently and some information about the markets. So I appreciate you guys watching the channel. I know a lot of you guys watch this from the analytics that aren't subscribed. So I do highly suggest that you guys hit the subscribe button so you can get notified when new videos come out on the channel. We do a lot of videos here, from news to helpful tips to training on how to safely use and invest in cryptocurrency. So if you haven't already, I do suggest you guys think about doing that. This video here today is about some information that came out actually on the 21st, depending on watching this video. PayPal got into cryptocurrency. They announced that they're going to allow trading and shopping with cryptocurrency on their platform. A lot of people may not even realize they didn't do this already because people aren't familiar with how non-crypto friendly a lot of the financial institutions are currently. But this is a good part that they're moving towards this, and it's really going to open up a huge market, because as you can see here, by early 2021, which is only a few months away at this point, the company also plans to let customers use crypto to pay for things, and they have a large network of 26 million plus retailers. So it's going to be huge. It's going to be able to bring crypto into the mainstream, where you can actually use it for day-to-day payments, transacting online and things like that, which is going to be huge for the space, which is great. It's good to have all these big name brand companies that people are familiar with outside of crypto getting into this space. Brings people in, brings up their comfort level with what's going on, and just a lot of people just don't understand. So these bigger companies that they already know, as they come in, it's going to help boost the market and help overall usage of the cryptocurrencies. So it's really good that PayPal is doing this. I did a video the other day about Square, and they just bought $50 million of Bitcoin. So they are starting to move towards crypto. It's only a matter of time, as many of us in this crypto space have been saying for the last few years. And it's finally actually starting to see like it's actually happening. There's big announcements here and there, and here with PayPal and Square, there's definitely some moves that people are putting their money where their mouth is and actually getting towards cryptocurrency. You can see here, kind of like I just said, the announcement comes as more financial institutions signal their entry into the nascent cryptocurrency market. And unfortunately, a lot of people just don't understand, and if they watch the mainstream news, they may see crypto as a scammy or unsafe, unscrupulous market. But that's really not the case. If you're, like anything, there's pockets of bad in every space, every market. I mean, most of the illegal activity is carried out currently with cash. So if you believe that, then you shouldn't also use cash. Just keep that in mind. Most drug deals and things like that are all cash, and that's what they seize at the borders when they stop these people. So I mean, cryptocurrency is the same thing. There's going to be some people that use it incorrectly and for illegal activities, but the majority of people are using it for what it's meant for, transacting in a safe, secure, low-cost way. Okay, the next thing that PayPal announced as well is that, like I said, they're putting their money where their mouth is. This is a few hours ago. They announced that they're reportedly in talks to buy crypto firms, including BitGo. So they're actually going out into the space and starting to acquire existing companies to help them move into the crypto space safely. Now, BitGo is more of a storage. They do more of the cryptocurrency securely storing. They could reach a deal within weeks, and this is reported from Bloomberg, citing people familiar with the matter. But as the next line says, this could still fall apart. This is just an early announcement. PayPal could opt out, the deal couldn't go through, but it's good to see them trying and looking for the market to pick up established companies to quickly get them on pace. But when they made this announcement, they had announced originally that they were going to be allowing Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin, and that of course sent these going up. Bitcoin, even after the pullback recently, which I'll show you, it's still up 12 or almost 13% for the week. Bitcoin Cash is up 6%, Ethereum is up 10.5%, and Litecoin went up the best at 15% almost. But you can see here, Bitcoin, a lot of people want Bitcoin or crypto to go to the moon straight up, but that's really not healthy. As you saw in the last bull run, if it goes up too quickly without getting time to establish a new base, it comes down just as quickly. So I'm actually glad to see that it did go up to 13.2 almost, I think. Yeah, 13,160, something like that. It went up almost to 13,200, and now it pulled back here, sitting right around 12.8, 12.775. So that's good. You don't want it to go straight up if you're looking to have it a healthy market for long term. The people that want to just quick make a buck and dump, they want obviously parabolic moves so they can just get in and out, make some money, and move on to the next investment opportunity. But if you're here for cryptocurrency long term, which myself, I am, and a lot of other people that watch this channel are, you want to see these mini pullbacks. It's going to establish a new base where its ceiling was before. This can become a new floor where it could bounce off of. So it could go down to 12,000. That might be the new base, because it seemed like it hit off it here last time. So that may be the new base. We'll just have to see what happens, and I'll keep watching the cryptocurrency and see where the new base is, and then if it's going to keep going up to 13 or 20,000 or 50,000 like some people say. But we'll see. I'm glad that this is healthy movement for actual news, so I'm glad to see it. I wanted to share it with you guys in case you missed it. If you guys, like I said, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to the channel. It's greatly appreciated. It helps other people find this information. And we try to give information here for new users, experienced users, just general cryptocurrency safety and usage, wallets, investment opportunities, everything like that, just kind of everything around the crypto space. So I hope you guys like the videos, but if you do have any questions about this specifically or anything in general, leave a comment below the video or whatever video you're interested in. Look back in the old playlist. There's a ton of videos that we did that may help you in different areas with wallets, different investment opportunities, things like that. Check them out and see if it's something for you, and if you have a question, leave a comment. You can always email me directly as well. My email is donkeat, DONKEAT @gmail.com. I try to answer everyone's questions pretty quickly, so I appreciate you guys reaching out, and I hope they found this helpful, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks.